Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Derek R from Computer Headquarters, and we are planning to modify the stabilizers and make them a lot smoother by lubing the stabilizers. What you need is a switch puller, some clippers, a keycap puller, a brush, and actually some lube. Preferably, I'll use some Cryotox 205 grade 0. Very smooth for linear switches. If you want to lube the switch, you can also lube these stabilizers. Alright, guys, let's get going. Hey, what's going on, guys? So, we are going to take apart this stab right here. There we go. So, guys, this stab was actually pre-lubed before from the factory, but we're going to take it apart. So we are going to clip this off, going upwards, and take it out. We'll do it on the other side. We're going to clip it off, going upwards, and out. So, there's two parts of this. There's the actual housing, and there's actually the feet. The feet has two legs right here. Can't really see it. There's two legs right there that you need to clip on both sides. So we are going to do that. These two legs will make the keyboard a lot better with sound. Next, definitely, so we're doing the same thing here. Clip. Now you see everything's all flat, no more nipple. Now we're going to take some No Keys Cryotox 205 grade 0. We're going to take a little bit, one little scoop, and we are going to lube the inside, left and right. It's going to make your stabilizers a lot smoother when you press on the actual switch. We're going to do the same thing on the actual foot, on the actual switch right there on the side. So a little bit there. Do on the other side. If you need a little more Cryotox, you can. And like that. Now there is a certain way to put it back into the actual feet, so we're going to do that right now. Some of the times the actual bar that needs to be lubed, so we're going to take this. We're going to lube the tip side on both sides. So we're going to take this, take our little brush, put some Cryotox on it, and do a little bit on each side. Tip, do on the other side too. For lubing stabs, you definitely want a good amount of lube. Not a lot, but if you don't want that scratchiness from your stabs, and if you want a smooth actuation from your spacebar or shift, this will work just fine. So now to put this back, now we're going to do it on the other side. Definitely want to lube on the inside and outsides. Definitely on the inside on both sides. If you want to lube the other side too, you can. Inside. We're going to lube this side. And do the other side. Now let's put these back. It's kind of tedious. There's two holes on one side and one hole on the other side. One side needs to face, so the closed hole needs to face on this part right here. This part right here. I'm gonna put it in the hole, just like that. Go down if you can. Sometimes when you first try, you won't make it in, but when you do, it should be able to go in. There we go. Right there, down. Hit the clips in, and now it's going up. There you go, guys. Very lubed stabilizers.